So yesterday I was tilling my garden with the tractor, and there is a fig tree at the foot of the end of my garden. And as I was driving by the tree, the canopy on the tractor shook some of the branches. Well, immediately bees were everywhere. My hives are close to there, but I knew that wasn't what was going on. And so I looked to my right at the tree, and there was this really large swarm of bees on one of the branches, about the size of a football. I'm like, oh my word, because last year I had a swarm on that fig tree, which I caught. It was at the bottom of the tree though. This one's closer to the top, and they're doing very well. Well, I moved the tractor, got down, and looked at the swarm a little bit more. Called someone else to come and get them because I don't need any more bees. And so then later we came outside, and well, I'm going to let you. I followed. The swarm was leaving. My grandson saw the bees flying in the air. It was like a whirlwind. They were just like spiraling all over the place up in the air above the fig tree. So I followed the bees to see where they were going to go. And where they went might surprise you. And I'll let you watch that in these upcoming videos. Yep. Bees swarm flying away. Can't even see it in the video.
Where are they going?
What? You want me to ask one? They're going to their new home.
From where?
Oh.
A new home?
Bees, bees, bees.
I bet it's one of these dead trees over here. I know there's one on
They were in the fig tree, and
real
now they're
close
gone.
I know there's one real close to the property.
The bees are in flight. They're looking for their new home. And I hope it's not my house. We used to have bees in there. They're moving very slowly. They are going in my house.
What is this stuff?
No. Bee be gone. Who said y'all could go in there? No, no, no. This is the third time I have bees in the house. They are going in.